Welcome back to All Things EVM. Today, guys, I want to get into elephant money. I just minted 4 new NFTs. They're unlimited NFTs, and now I want to show you how to stake them. So let's jump on into that. Do you need to stake in order to get this 12.5% APR? And the answer is yes. That APR is paid out in elephant tokens, and you can claim that right here. If you want to mint them, it's really quick and simple here. You have to pay BNB, so that's 2 BNB per. So I want to go to my collection, and I think these things look really solid, guys. They were really well done by the team. So as the price of elephant token rises, then you're going to see a rise in the APR as well. All right, that's all I have for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. Feel free to ask any questions that you might have. Happy to answer them at any time. God bless.